WireGuard VPN. How to install WireGuard client on OpenWrt. Public IP address. IP address changes when configuring WireGuard VPN client on OpenWrt is complete. Software. Update lists. Install the following packages. WireGuard. WireGuard-tools. Install. Dismiss. luci-app-wireguard. Install. Dismiss. Nano. Install. Dismiss. Clear. iPtables. iPtables NFT. Install. Dismiss. Restart OpenWrt to apply changes. Perform reboot. Next, create a new WireGuard VPN interface. Network. Interfaces. Add new interface. Name. WG0. Protocol. WireGuard VPN. Create interface. Dismiss. Not configured. Save and apply. This is the configuration file. Edit. Load configuration. Fill in the configuration here. Copy. Paste. Import settings. OK. Parameters are configured. Key. IP address. Pairs. Save. Save and apply. Connected. Status. WireGuard. Data received. Data transmitted. Next, set the time zone. System. Time zone. Save and apply. Next, create a new zone. Network. Name. VPN. Covered networks. WireGuard 0. Allow forward from source zones. LAN. Save. Save and apply. Net rules. Add. Name. Net for WireGuard. Outbound zone. VPN. Action. Masquerade. Save. Save and apply. Network. Interfaces. Check public IP address. If config me, not changed. Access OpenWrt using command window. Putty. Open. Accept. Username. Root. Password. Nano. etc. iProot 2. RT. Tables. Add a line. 200. VPN. Save. Y. IP root. Add. Default. Dev. WG0. Table. VPN. WG0 is the interface name VPN created. WireGuard 0. Next command. IP. Rule. Add. FW mark. 0x1. Table. VPN. Next command. Nano. etc. RC. Local. Add the following 2 lines. Add the 2 commands used earlier. Save. Next command. Allow this computer to use the VPN. Iptables. T. Mingle. A. Pro-routing. S. IP address. Check the IP address of this computer. IP config. Copy. Paste. J. Mark. Set. Mark. 0x1. Error. Fix error. Completed. Check public IP address. The above is how to set up a WireGuard client on OpenWrt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.